In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Blogger profile or Blogspot website permanently. Before we get started, a quick note. Deleting your Blogger profile and associated blogs is a permanent action. Once you confirm deletion, you won't be able to get your profile back, and depending on your settings, your blogs may no longer be accessible. So if there's anything you might want to keep, like posts, images, or comments, make sure you back those up first using Blogger's export tools. Let's begin by heading to your Blogger dashboard. Open your web browser and sign into the Google account that you used to create your Blogger blog. Then go to the Blogger homepage. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can see a list of your blogs on the left-hand side or in the center of the screen. This is your control panel for everything related to your Blogger sites. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a vertical menu with different options, such as posts, stats, comments, earnings, and so on. What you want to do here is look for the option labeled Settings. It usually appears toward the bottom of that menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open the settings page for the blog you currently have selected, showing different sections like basic information, publishing, permissions, and more. Now, on the settings page, you need to locate the option that allows you to manage your profile. Scroll through the settings until you find a link or section labeled Edit Profile. Depending on the current layout, this might appear in a section related to user settings or profile settings. Click on Edit Profile to open a new page where your Blogger profile details are displayed. On the Profile Edit page, you'll see various options related to how your profile appears, such as your display name, photo, and the blogs associated with your account. What we're looking for here is the option to remove your profile entirely. Look carefully until you find a link or button that says Delete Blogger Data and Profile. This is the critical step. When you click this, Blogger will usually show you a confirmation screen explaining what will be deleted and what that means for your content. Read that information carefully, and if you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. After that, your Blogger profile and its data will be removed permanently.